Hi, I'm Madison Dahl from Ms. Armamento's Period A class. These are my three equation, inequality, and literal equation problems. The difference between inequalities, equations, and literal equations are that inequalities use less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to compare problems. Equations use equal signs to compare problems, and literal equations mostly use letters and symbols. To start off with this equation, you need to distribute. Next, you want to combine -6 and -8 to get -14. Then, you want to subtract 3x on both sides so that all of the x's are on the left. Then, you want to add 2 on both sides so that all of the constants are on the right. Divide by 4 to get x equals -3. One gym charges $28 for a sign-up fee and $26 per month. Another gym charges $100 for sign-up fee and $14 per month. After how many months will the gym cost the same? First, you need to start out by writing the equation. 28 plus 26m equals 10 plus 14m. M equals months. Then, you want to subtract 14m on both sides so that all of the m's are on the left. Then, subtract 28 to get 12m equals 72, and divide by 12 to get m equals 6. To do this inequality, you need to distribute. To get 20n minus 12 is greater than 4n plus 36. Next, minus 4n on both sides to get 16n minus 12 is greater than 36. Add 12 on both sides to get 16n is greater than 48. Then divide by 16 to get n is greater than 3. Then you need to graph it. In set builder, it would be n such as n is greater than 3. And in interval notation, it would be 3 plus infinity. Then all you have to do is graph it. Circle the values of p that are found in the solution set of the inequality, then explain why. Starting this inequality, you need to distribute. To get 5 plus p is greater than 2p plus 6. Next, subtract 2p on both sides. Then subtract 5 on both sides to get -1p is greater than 1. Finally, divide by -1. And since you divided by a negative, you need to flip the sign to get p is less than -1. If this equation is done right, you should get p is less than -1, which means that the 9 is the one that should be circled because the rest of the numbers are over 1. In b equals a over h, to find a, all you need to do is times by h to get bh equals a. But if you want to solve by h, you need to times by h to get bh equals a. Then you need to divide by b to get h equals a over b. The height of a rectangle is 14 feet, and its area is 168 square feet. What is the length of the base? Use the formula b equals a over h, a equals area, h equals height, and b equals base to find the answer. So a will equal 168, and h will equal 14. So all you'll have to do is divide 168 by 14 to find b, and base will equal 12 feet. In conclusion, equations, literal equations, and inequalities are all different. Literal equations have mostly letters. Inequalities use less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to signs to compare problems, and equations have equation signs or equal signs to compare problems.